Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Facebook if it is saying session expired on Facebook. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook on your mobile phone, and as you can see my Facebook is working all fine. So if your session is expired, then all you have to do is log out, or it would have automatically log you out from your account. So log out and log in again. As you can see, I've logged out from my Facebook and wait for a while, and I'm going to log in again to my existing account. As you can see, it is working all fine. Now another way is you need to open your App Store or your Play Store and search in Facebook on the search bar and go to its Facebook profile. As you can see, my Facebook is on the latest update and it does not need any update. The third step is go to your settings and go to your apps or your applications and search in Facebook. And after you have searched in Facebook, go to its storage so we can clear cache from it. So after clearing the cache, it would be working all fine. Or if your Facebook account is connected to another device, then all you have to do is remove that Facebook from the another device. Or the next step is uninstall your Facebook, then reinstall it again and log in back again, then it would be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.